show wants to do who has a band on. They just can't do it because they have no success. That's how you do it right. Grab a hold of that blade. Just go touch that blade.
Is that a resale key?
No, that's the cheapest blade I can buy. That's $18.
It works good while it's spinning, but it's rough to the knob.
Well, that's right. Yeah, it's usually.
Nobody knows how big the piece of wood was when you started. You're the only one who knows how much you had to carve away to make it safe. It's a piece of poplar, and I had visions of making this wonderful big hollow. When I got done, the finished piece is about that tall. It had so much stuff that I carved, and it got smaller and smaller and smaller because it just wasn't very good. So sometimes you have to keep getting rid of wood until you get it right. That should be good.
Against the wall, uncooked by yourself in your home. A frame, a door frame, a drill, a flat assembling, but here you see, more high pressure, people get it. Adjusting the depth is possible. Have a look, what happened, no shedding. On the side of my depth guide, right under, left under. Without the depth guide, you pass through. The boss guide goes straight and level.
That's right there. This is where your dust collector is actually at on the back. See how that's off-centered, you guys? The reason we off-center that is because if you have a big hole like this and a big hole like this on the bottom, there's going to be a lot of stress right there because it's nothing really holding it there. So that's why we off-center it. All right? Now, you guys, you see these 4 holes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this to both sides. These holes make it to where you have a built-in joinery system, okay? It's quite nice. My little bench top, which I've only got 1 more of these left, this also has, it's a little mini-me of this. It has the joinery system in that as well. So what we're gonna do here is pop out our spacing rods, all right? Then what we're gonna do is if you wanna be a 1/16 of an inch, you're gonna pop this into the smaller hole on top, and then you're gonna pop the other one into the smaller hole on bottom. And then, as you can see, it's popped out a 1/16 of an inch. Now what's nice about that, you guys, if you've ever joinered before, let's say you have a 48-inch piece of stock, all right? When you joiner, let's say 46 inches of it, you have 2 inches left. If you don't have a joinery system, it is really hard to keep it from teeter-tottering.
If you want one, you can pay for it now. Leave it here.
Come over here.
Pick it up on your way out. That way at least you get it.